When two black holes collide, they produce one of the most disastrous events in the universe, and the resulting gravitational waves create signals adorably known as chirps, which allows astronomers to observe the events. New findings published in the journal Communications Physics suggest that the resulting black hole chirps several times rather than just once like we thought. Scientists knew this chirp increased as two black holes get closer at a rapid pace. After the collision, the leftover black hole emits a signal with a single constant pitch that slowly goes away like the sound of a bell. But looking at the collision from the equator of the final black hole, scientists found that the signal has a pitch that goes up and down a few times before dying. Researchers think this is related to the shape of the remnant black hole, which emits more intense gravitational waves through its most curved regions.